Okay, let me show you how I sift sand. Okay, first off, I took these are two that I've done already. This is a food dehydrator. I bought it a million years ago. Used it a couple times to make some venison jerky. Stopped hunting, so I didn't buy any. So I covered the bottom of it with that metal tape. I covered each layer with the metal tape, and here's some that are done. This one here is all dried out. It only takes I don't know, not very long to dry this sand out. But anyway, what I've got here, they got a 50 mesh screen on top of a 100 mesh screen, and then I just take and put this in here. This is going to be tough to do with one hand, but all I do is just run my hand over it like that, and it turns it back into a fine powder. I did do a little bit of this just to show you. I ain't gonna go through the whole thing, but you know how lazy I am, so I don't really do anything that takes a lot of energy. Okay, that's enough there. I'll just dump that into the thing. Now, this is my vibrator. This is that vibrator that Roy gave to me to use for the automatic feed on the sluice, which I haven't put on yet because I used a vibrator over here, so now I got to figure out something else. So anyway, all I do is boy, this is gonna be fun. Okay, I put this into there like that, bring this around like this, and just pop it into place like that, and it's all set. Now, all I do is turn on the vibrator. I don't know if you can see that, what it's doing down there, but it vibrates the hell out of it. I don't have to touch nothing. Stick it around every once in a while. Now, as you can see, that's just about done. Okay, now that's all basically plus 50 in there. Just it ain't going through anymore, so all plus 50. I usually use the magnet here, but I ain't got time now. Okay, so then all I do is turn that off. Okay, take that out of there. Take this, dump it into my minus 30 plus 50 bucket, and I just put this back into the 100 thing like that, turn it back on, and as you can see now, all the minus 100 stuff is going to go through it. And what's left in there will be the 50 stuff. So the bucket this is going into is my minus 100 bucket. And basically that's about it for that. Okay, so then all I do is I turn off that thing Take that out of there and put this all down into one corner. And where's my, oh, I got my minus 50 bucket over here. That's the minus 50 stuff. I just take this and dump it into there. Okay, so now what I've got is minus 100 in there, minus 50 there, and minus 30 over there. And that's the way I do it. Bye-bye.